गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
25 years ago, in the year 1995, a dream was realized by an army officer and his wife, Colonel's Academy. Colonel's Academy, which proved to be a revolution in the field of education in Mhow. What started as a journey with 80 children has grown by leaps and bounds under the leadership of founder principal and now chairperson Mrs. Kiran Bahadur, the only national awardee from the region. With guidance and innovative ideas of our director Mr. Arjun Bahadur, who is an acclaimed figure in the field of education, along with his wife Mrs. Anuba Bahadur, an accomplished educationist, Colonel's Academy has become one of the most established schools in central India. Colonel's Academy ऐसा स्कूल है जहां आपके बच्चों को बेहतरीन शिक्षा प्रदान की जाती है ताकि वे न केवल अपने माता पिता और स्कूल का बल्कि पूरे देश का नाम रोशन कर सकें। In 2003, our school created history by becoming the first private CBSE school in Mhow, and our joy was enhanced when our students, along with our board member Mr. Shwetambra Nath, got the lifetime opportunity to meet and interact with our late president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
I personally believe you must have a dream. Say, I must have a dream.
I must have a dream.
I must continuously acquire knowledge.
I must continuously acquire knowledge,
Hard work
hard work,
and perseverance.
and perseverance.
One should not be afraid of problems.
Not afraid of problems.
Then you will be successful.
Right, 1 to 10. Good morning, sir.
With a creative and fun-filled approach to studies, students in Colonel's Academy experience joy of learning and they look forward to coming back to school each day. As our logo says, we give our students the right knowledge to build strong character and give them the courage to stand for the right values in life. We are happy to share that our library has grown and is now the member of National Geographic Society. कर्नल्स एकेडमी मऊ का एकमात्र स्कूल है जहां पे स्विमिंग पूल के साथ लॉन टेनिस के कोर्ट्स भी हैं और कई प्रकार के स्पोर्ट्स ट्रेनिंग भी दी जाती है, फिर चाहे वे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कोच के द्वारा ही क्यों ना हो। Colonel's Academy is the only school to have green, clean and serene surrounding to provide the right environment for learning. Colonel's Academy believes in the best quality of education, believes in providing strength to the students, believes in spreading knowledge and love. We are Colonel's Academy, a school for your children to grow and prosper, where we provide knowledge with Indian values and global exposure.
Hi, I'm Akshay Upadhyay. I'm Assistant Commandant in CISF, Central Armed Police Force, which comes under Ministry of Home Affairs. I was a student of Colonel's Academy from 1997 till 2006. These years were the basic foundational years of my life and one of the best memories of it.
Hello everyone, I am Himanshu Wadhwa, a chartered accountant by profession, currently working with Ernst & Young Mumbai, a multinational organization commonly known as one of the Big Four. I was part of the 2008 batch of Colonel's Academy, which was the second batch of the school. It not only helped me pursue my own dreams, but also made me a good human being and a confident individual.
Greetings to everyone. I am Swati Tripathi, an electronics engineer by profession, currently working as Manager Electronics in Airports Authority of India, Ministry of Civil Aviation. I can very proudly say that I was part of the first batch of Colonel's Academy in 2007.
Hello guys, my name is Harshal Nanawa and I've been associated with Colonel's Academy from year 97 to 2009. I currently am working as a senior consultant for John Deere with their niche technologies.
Sai Ram. Today I want to share my happiness and gratitude with all of you for completing 25 years of Colonel's Academy journey. Few things which I would like to share is that 25 years back, when we thought of settling down in Mau, we wanted to give a gift to children of Mau. And the idea, the seed of Colonel's Academy was sown at that point of time. We have many firsts in our journey. First school to bring in smart class in whole of MP, and also the robotic labs, and also bringing in computer education from class 1 when most of the schools were having it from class 5 or class 3. As you see Colonel's Academy standing strong after 25 years, we have the best infrastructure, be it the classrooms, be it the environment by lush green gardens and grounds. We have some more this year which we will be disclosing, like a shooting range for the children. So besides all this, we've been giving holistic education to the children by having the best teachers in town. Today, Colonel's Academy is known across the country, and I would like to say that it's not only the best school in Mau, but it also comes in the best schools of Indore. And we are known across the country and also internationally, since all our alums are doing extremely well here in India as well as abroad, and they are excelling in all the fields. You name a field and they are all there. And we are really proud of my ex-students and of course the present students. We have famous celebrities coming and interacting with our children. When we talk about the famous celebrities, we had an NBA coach to come and take a session for our basketball team, and also Mr. Niranjan Negi, in whose history on his life Chakte India was made. He is very much part of our school now. A lot of Arjun awardees, a lot of Padam Shris who've been coming and who've been visiting and also taking sessions with the children online this past 1 year. I want to thank all the parents who've been with us on this journey and who are with us in this journey. They have shown the trust in us. I want to assure you that we will keep your trust and will continue this journey of bringing or giving holistic education to the children and taking care of them who are with us. And I pray to Baba that he should keep guiding us in this journey wherein we can take care of these children, and who not only will bring name and fame to their families, to the school, but also to the country. Thank you so much. God bless you.